Good morning, and thank you for waking up with us here at the Delta News on this wintry wonderland morning here in the Delta. I'm meteorologist Clay Smith, and Arctic air continues to file into the southern plains, northern plains, and even here in the Delta. And that low pressure system now working its way towards Alabama, and the heaviest precipitation is now falling across the area. Snow is starting to fall into southeastern Arkansas and northwest Louisiana. Still a whole lot of sleet here in most of the Delta. I do think eventually we'll get that transition, but again, the longer it stays sleet, the less amount of snow that we'll end up getting from this system. So hopefully we can see that transition relatively soon because, again, snow easier to deal with than some of this sleet that's coming down. And as for your current temperatures, 24 in Kosciuszko, 16 in Oxford, only 10 this morning in Tunica, 15 in Greenville, and 13 in Monticello, and currently our wind chill in Greenville is -3. So that makes you just kind of want to scream into a pillow, especially if you walk outside, because that is extremely cold. It feels like 8 in Belzona and 4 in Monticello. So again, extremely cold air with those winds, and winter storm warning is going to be in effect until 6 a.m. on Tuesday. Even though the wintry precipitation will move out this afternoon, we're still going to have that extreme cold, and icy roads are going to be a thing pretty much all week. And again, the snow gradually ends by 2 or 3 o'clock across much of the area, and then tonight the major cold spell moves in. I mean, temperatures below zero going to be possible, maybe as far south as Jackson. High pressure builds in tomorrow. We could actually see some sunshine, more snow moving through portions of Arkansas as our next system approaches. And then going into Wednesday morning, we could be dealing with another bout of wintry weather here in the Delta. Could be more of an ice and sleet threat across the area. Could be some pretty significant impacts as this low pressure moves across the region. So again, for the rest of the day, in total, I think we'll see 2 to 6 inches of snow and sleet, especially in this corridor in the northwestern Delta, where you may see that transition sooner. Lower amounts to the south and west, highest amounts into Arkansas, where that snow has been falling all morning. So we just need to overcome that upper layer of warm air so we can get that snow transition across the Delta. But again, wind chill forecast, single digits through this afternoon, below zero into this evening. And again, we're probably not going to have a day this cold in quite some time. This is very significant Arctic air across the region. As we go into the rest of the evening, again, wind chill values flirting with zero, dropping below zero as we go into the evening, especially late tonight into tomorrow morning. We could have wind chill values as low as -10. So dangerous cold. And then again, we'll be tracking another potential winter storm Wednesday and Thursday, which is going to make things a whole lot worse, especially if it's more of an ice threat. So again, for today, highs of 18, heavy snow and sleet, wind chills near zero, and again, those highs only going to top out in the teens in many locations. It's going to be an extraordinarily cold day. As for tonight, lows near 1, and yes, it's not a misprint. That is the actual low temperature tonight. In some locations, dropping lower than that. -2 potentially in Indianola and Cleveland, -2 in Charleston, 0 in Carrollton, 0 in Chula. So again, just extremely cold air. By tomorrow, highs only topping out at 20. So whatever falls today is going to be sticking around for a while. Partly cloudy skies. I mean, we could see some sunshine. That's kind of the only good thing about the forecast for the next couple of days. But we're going to be right back at it Wednesday into Thursday in the thick of things. Temperatures staying below freezing. Could be an icy mess heading into the middle of the week. So again, Tamara, just stay off the roads really for the rest of the week.
Yeah.